Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I'm Nurgle Snurgle, and this is going to be a little bit of a recap video of my time on Heroes Brush Hour. Thank you to Dan and Andrew for being absolutely amazing hosts on that Twitch channel. I'll put the links down below, but you have to check out this show. I've self-proclaimed it, not paid by them whatsoever, but I do say it is the best show on Twitch. What is it? It is a friendly competition between two people, usually the host, either Dan or Andrew, and a guest that comes onto the show, and they compete against each other, against the clock, and against the chat as well. You can use your channel points to redeem, say, a minute of squats, a minute of Pictionary, a minute of singing, whatever they have in their list. They have a lot of stuff that you can choose from, so I definitely recommend checking them out on Tuesdays and Thursdays as well. So again, I'll put the links down below and you can check them out. But I just want to talk about my time there and how I painted this guy right here. I'll probably put a picture right here so you can have a closer look, and there will be links down below for my Instagram and you can check it out there. So yes, this was done at about asterisk 1 hour. You can also add a minute of overtime, which there was several minutes added to this competition because not only did I paint a big model, but also Dan painted a big model. Why did I paint a big model? Well, my followers on Instagram, I posted in my stories that you could choose either or in a series of little competitions, and in the end you guys chose this giant ass model. But again, it was a lot of fun, amazing times. The chat was amazing, the host was amazing. I think the guest was okay as well. Anyway, so let's get into the recap and you can see the fun times I had on Heroes Brush Hour.
Dan is always sniffing feet before stream. Hello, this is Heroes
His
Brush
own?
Hour.
Let's start by welcoming our guest, Nurgle Snurgle.
That sounds extremely filthy, but I love it.
Yes. So, before we get too far into food conversation, and by you know what? As a dad,
When you think about it.
as a dad, I gotta say, we're not dead.
And why I agree? Because this is the best show on Twitch.
Ooh, you
Right?
said it. Clip it.
Right? Oh, she's got a plan. I saw it.
A plan.
What?
No, that's a lot of people.
Get crazy with it, man. I want do your thing, express yourself, but you can't put it on the palette.
Hey, look at my palette. There is no paint in my palette.
Oh man.
Stop.
Oh, she's cracking a cold one. Is that what is that?
Oh, shit.
Truly? A Celsius?
It's a Care Kombucha.
Yes, Snuggle.
Or
That's
googly eyes.
man.
You don't know. It could be either one.
That said,
It's very carbonated.
she's gonna be burping into the mic the whole time.
Palette.
Oh my god, you don't have to talk us through it. Just say go.
Okay, let's go.
I've been
So that's like this.
singing, everybody. Hey, give me the big boys and free my soul.
Nurgle, start squatting.
Shit. Oh yeah.
Dan's going in for it right when he does. How are you doing?
I feel like we're all going on a date with this guy.
We are.
Yeah.
And we expect updates.
Did he say sorry?
Sorry.
Sorry.
His couch doesn't touch any walls, people.
I don't have a couch.
See that she's beneath us. To the chat to moderate.
That is a spilled wash. We
You
need
hit
more
yourself.
overtime.
16.
Welcome to squat. Yes, Nurgle, start squatting. Yeah, you're done squatting. I totally lost my time.
What is all that? Oh my god! What is happening?
Is that a Glock? What do you?
Holy shit! Are we about to get shot up?
Yeah,
that's
that's
a big part of it.
Dictionary.
How did you Twitch
Football.
stream?
Driving a car.
You just said it out.
Alright, stop doing it. Whatever. Stop.
just
You
said
big
the
baby.
clue.
Just stop. Just
I'll tie myself out for that.
no.
Apparently, you're not fully understanding the whole Pictionary thing.
You guys have the best chat. Let's make history tonight.
There you go.
Yeah, stop painting. Get out of this paper with them.
Don't say the clue though.
Thank you for the hype.
Oh, 7 for
we can close
Nurgle.
up.
7 for Nurgle. Come on. Oh, and then everyone's getting blessed tonight.
Give me another minute of overtime. The stream that never ends. Yes. Kid, you know I like it.
Miga says that whenever Nurgle Snurgle's on, the stream is an hour and 43 minutes long.
Everyone's spicy today.
Moist.
Moist.
And the best
Miga
part of it is
not happy.
no one can stop me. You
Oh,
guys have been awesome
I should put
today.
deodorant on.
Who's that dude? So it's actually hanging back up on the wall over there. Snurgle! You did it! Snurgie, did you have a good time tonight?
I had an amazing time, always. I love this show.
Awesome. Please come back and host. And we're going to thank everyone in the chat for being awesome.
Why
Keeping
not?
the
Hitting
train
Hype
going.
9, yeah.
Hype 9,
know. Y'all
unprecedented
did it.
in the history of Heroes Rush Hour. I mean, and remember,
And y'all were here for it. You were
we were
here.
here for it. This is a
History.
historic moment. History where we painted 2 large minis and we did a 9-level hype train. Freaking awesome.
Amazing. Good night.
Let's raid.